Foggy kayo, guys. Foggy kayo.
Say Foggy mo, Mama Foggy.
Gusto ko sa area. What the hell was that?
Dili ni ka dong outside.
Oh? What are you doing, Lexi? Ah. Oh, lagi.
Si Ulagi.
Ito, kapag na po siya ito.
Ah?
Panira ba?
Nagaling video ko, Lex, oh.
Di lagi na matingog si Lexi.
Ha? Ganina, sa katabi.
Ha? Di lagi ko dungog niya.
Wow.
Ikadungog ka na ko.
Haha, tay, gi-mute din ako siya.
Bako!
Kaya ang
Atay, nanong zero, tayo mo baliw.
So guys, ang objectives guys, escape a hunt, prevent ghosts from hunting with a crucifix, repel the ghost with a smart stick while it's chasing someone. Ang anya kay
Your name is Karen!
Si Karen.
Your name is Karen!
Of course,
Karen the
goddamn
Demon.
Karen.
Of course it's a goddamn Karen. Of course.
What the fuck? An aggressive
The hell is
Atay, ang ganan sa ulo sa man eh.
the door?
What is with the door?
I've got Karen cards! There are Karen cards, everyone.
Ay, so, kapag kita o mag-ata na. Ninyo,
What
no?
the hell, bro? What is...
Ako picture ng voodoo doll. Hello, huli voodoo doll. The voodoo doll is not here, bro.
Ano, right? Yup.
Ano, eh, kulang ko ninyo ingni, isa ni nga mode, maka...
Kompleto ta?
What do you mean by that?
Say kompleto, unsa na may nusan ta diri, naon sa man ni? Nakuha na ta. O ta kabantay.
Damn, all the doors are open. Scary. Ay, nagtinog ang EMF! Kasi ka nag-EMF. That
Mami.
EMF was ringing, bro.
Na ko.
Kadungog ra lagi
Hot
nimo.
there.
Drink, kadungog ka na ko.
Kadungog lalagi.
They don't know NFC, apparently. I mean, can I let me?
Guys, may kuwan sa dapit sa door.
Oh my god, oh
Nato
my god.
EMS sa dapit sa door.
Oh my God,
Front
it's
door,
so
dude.
There is a front door. Kind of hot in here.
I actually died. Ito na ko ninyo gibilin yung motherfuckers.
I'm literally inside them now.
Napog ko na ako sa basement.
Gibilin na na. Ano? Ubus ni Harry?
Basement? Wala sa basement?
Yeah. Kadiyot lang ako ramatan-aw ng kuan.
Try
Temperature.
yan sa ubos. Ang temperature sa ubos size.
In your Sobos, I've been there already.
Makasingot? Makasingot ang kainit.
Makasingot dyan. Makasingot lang.
Ay, makasingot. But, open ang door.
What's your name?
Open ang doors.
Karen,
Check for fingerprints,
Kaya
please.
nasa na yung door.
I am checking for fingerprints.
do you think she's here though?
Pila ko na lagi sa dere.
So this your freezing temp apparently because it's hot. Let me get the. Hi Karen, are you here? Nope, Karen. Karen, are you here? What about?
Oh my god, ganun naggupa ang door!
Lexi,
Lexi,
ganun na lang
gani,
minapanood sana.
gani ara dyan na dara.
What is this? Kaya pa ko
Literally,
panood
ganun
this
lang.
one. Are you here?
Bro, what the fuck?
Are you here? Sige nga na ni
Nay, fingerprints na siya diri.
Are you here?
Where? Oh, darn it, Karen, are you here in this area?
Karen, are you here? Karen,
Karen, are you here?
Karen, are you here?
Where are you, Karen?
Na siya sa garage, eh, gagis. Tapit.
Karen, where are
May
you?
fingerprint dito.
Oh! Oh my god, may story siya! Ah!
It talks!
Kanay, kuan or like me or kuan to is a ghost event or
Nay, kuan.
No, she
Handprint.
said behind. Oh, she said behind me. She was behind me.
Okay. God damn. Evidence.
Okay, we have spirit box and the fingerprint. It's either the mimic, the phantom, or the poltergeist. Okay. So scared to my left right now, bro. She was literally behind me.
Asa man yung crucifix? Bring a goddamn crucifix, guys.
Guys, asa na mo sa di asa kagikan sa basta nasa sa one rooming siya. Probably a rooming one.
Freezing time. Trust me.
We trust. We
It's midnight
try.
temperature.
It's the
Okay,
minute.
manata.
Wow,
Ano po ng overview?
Run.
Call it the overview.
Ganahan mo mag-tarot card?
The objectives.
Ang crucifix naman, tapos smudge sticks.
Smudge sticks,
So-
everyone smudge sticks. Kitsagan mo siya sa cat.
Aba mo, usa ra ka buok ang ato ang... Oh my god, it's a fun.
Oh, I wanna try the tarot card.
Not
I wanna try the tarot card.
Si Drini na ba daw sa tarot card?
Okay.
Pwede
Since
ako ang
everyone
tarot
tried-
card, wa pa ko ka-try. I don't even know what's in a tarot card.
Ako pa, wapag ko ka-try, but like, we can't really do
Ay,
anything about it.
And do it something and do things.
Kasi gadaog.
Asa?
Kasi
I
gadaog sa
know it.
kuwan.
Oh, nasa sa kuwan! Nasa sa garage!
Okay,
Ah, bitaw ka sa garage.
Are you here?
Wala lagi nga nagibal.
Where are
I-check
you?
ko balik ang freezing temp ba?
Sitting time.
Right? Okay, so, panago sa mo. Tama na.
Where's your thermometer? Where's your damn thermometer?
Oh, are we not?
Ako, nangita. Nga na kung gamay ra bang kaitag lighter.
Usna
I
lang
wanna
ang
be a
lighter.
lighter.
Usara ka
Only
lighter.
one.
Sige, utsaray maka-smudge.
Usara ka lighter.
Ikaw, sana mo ka sponge.
Okay. Kasi ganda crucifix.
I should. Nanay crucifix dito.
Okay, let's go!
Okay, let's go in. Go.
But sa ato sa papusta ka sa kapatid.
Tarot card mo? Dati rin.
Where are you?
Okay, ikaw lang pag tarot card.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Minihan siya guys.
Nagpakita ra siya, uy. On second thought, wala siya nagpakita. Nangungo siya. But it walks. Nang close yung doors. Na siya sa living room. Oh. Oh? Dili.
Mana?
Katiudra na. Oh. Mana! Mana!
Someone freaking died, bro. Someone died. Benny died. Did she die? Did Journey die?
Did she now? Namatay si Trini? Damn! Where her body at?
Picture yung body ko. She's probably in the basement.
What? Naraman siya diri ganiha. Naman ko diri si Trini sa living room.
It's her. It's her. Go. Go in there.
Are we going in?
Yeah, we're going in.
Use the tarot
see.
card. Asa na mas Lexi? Lex, mo use mo kaka sa tarot
Alright.
cards.
She's scared, bro. She's scared.
Sa Tidrini man, igo raman ko mag-on.
Wala na si Trini, namatay na.
She did, bro.
I know. Ato na to siya. Let's go.
She's literally in the living room.
Nanginom na mukha mo. Asan siya?
Oh, look at her dead body. Booby popping.
Oh my god, blocker. Anyway. So, manata?
Oh, use mo kaka sa tarot card.
No, bitch. I don't want this bitch to haunt me. Unless kung inyo kong i-repel ang ghost, pa-away na ako. Kamong may mo mag-smudge sticks. Aray, pwede na ako. Kay datong day ko, okay ram day ko, mamatay datong day ko. But, you know.
Yeah,
I still don't want it. Pero
Try,
i-smudge sticks ko ba?
ikay take smudge sticks cause like I can't really do that.
You
You
know,
go
still
along with my
also.
stick.
I'm gonna take a picture instead.
Ito, si Dea picture.
On top of what the smudge sticks are.
I-offer na ni mo. Ayaw sa F!
Ayaw sa F!
Ah,
Proceed.
On daan ang lighter, i-right click ang lighter.
I like that.
Right click.
Okay, throw one.
Buang.
You dumb.
Must be
Why?
R. Okay, it must be R. Come on, let's go.
Wait sa kadit. Ang controls F. Sumning F.
Manong gadama mo,
So
mom?
dumb,
There
bro.
is a, what the fuck is with the mom?
Secondary use. Kanang secondary use.
Secondary attack.
Secondary use. Secondary use.
Okay, yeah, I get it, thanks. Oh my
naman
god,
dito.
oh my god.
Huwag sayang.
Okay, let's
Why do you
go.
have that? Just-
Aray na! Kung kita mamatay ham.
You died. Wait, but look, this is why you guys are the weird for me. Who did? Who did? Y'all are locked in. Guys. Open up. Bro, get out first. It's sanity pills. It's sanity pills.
Holy fuck!
Oh my god, this bitch is scaring the fuck out of me. Are you kidding me? Oh
What
my
is
God.
wrong? Wait, let me see the one. Atong sanity. Okay, we're going to die. That's one.
Must be Karen, bro. Must be Karen.
Bro, I'll picture right now. I'm not gonna style all the way.
Ano iya may labay? Tara na naman. Ang sarap itong picture frame. What a picture frame over
No,
here,
it's
bro.
literally in front of me. I want picture frame. Is this glitching? Is this for real?
Di ko yung picture frame ni mo. Wow!
Wala lagi.
Bro, it was following me. Am I haunted?
Gihaunt
Like,
ka niya.
our crucifix, it's doing nothing.
Gihaunt.
Our crucifix is doing nothing to stop the hunting.
Ari na lang! Mag-target card ta!
Magtarot karta, igsulki na to, maghunting na sa
Okay na, dato man ta!
Yeah, I know that. I'm just saying, you know.
We gotta try this.
Titeris.
The record makakalex.
Yeah.
Okay, at least na kay Pav. We also, I have a Pav, you have a Pav. We all have Pavs. Ano ba ako susud?
Tama na.
The frame is up.
Fuck, that scared me. Arena, mag-tarot card, let's go!
I know, I
Ano
know.
ni
Pwede
Gawan?
na mag-tarot card sa ubos. Minsa, pwede na mag-tarot card sa ubos?
Oh!
Sa basement?
But, let's see if Marto siya, then what? Bakit nagdaganan?
Okay, magdagandagan natin sa living room na,
Let's go! This is one in a million.
Unahay mo, una, mugsod.
This is one in a million.
How guys? This thing.
Gi!
Death. Oh my god.
Fuck, it's death.
Ituyok lang. Where's this bitch?
No, this watch this is not working.
What is it? What is it? What is son of a bitch? Done? And then,
Mana!
what's that namatay sa titers? Oh my god.
Asa siya namatay?
Makana na. Maka-escape og hunting sa titers. Kahir ka ato. This bitch died.
I couldn't hear a thing, bro.
Ako kita siya body though.
Where is her goddamn
Ano
body?
kay te? Gatay tayo kerchid ko sa couch. This bitch could cat me. Bring around the Rosie, bro.
Should we try again?
Should we? Try
Should
again?
we?
Dea, are you feeling adventurous?
Yes. Nagano kay tag stuff diri na hinatag ni ko ano to. Thank you very much for the mugs.
Okay, let's. Okay, let's. Thank you sa mugs. Thank you sa everything, really.
Asa man ang wala na sanity
Let's.
pills. There's no more sanity pills down. Then let's
Magtituyok lang ta.
let's
Ayaw
let's
lang
go.
jud og hawa. Basta tuyok lang jud. Para di ka mamatay.
Ay,
Para
labayan na
there is
puta.
ganun
Ah,
straight
labayan na
into
puta.
siya.
Kinabayan na puta. Okay, kinabayan na puta.
Si Ate Drini, de ani. Si Ate
Ah, si
Drini, de
Drini,
Ate
de ay.
Yeah. Nah, that's
I was like, what the fuck is happening? Anong namin? Okay, let's.
right. I was like,
Are we gonna do this, Lexi? Are we gonna do this?
we are gonna do this, Dea. I got 9K. I am not afraid.
I have 2K. I am not afraid.
9K.
Okay, let's go!
Okay, madunggan mo, Ate Drin.
Atay nila, good.
Unsa? Ha? Lagi.
Lex ni Hango.
Yeah, I can see that. Sayawan ti kami. Oh.
What am I gonna do about it?
Myself and Dea.
What am I gonna do about this?
Come on, bro. Don't be so unserious. So unserious, bro. Na, dali.
Nihan lagi ko.
What are you doing? Dahan, yapon ka, ni-move naman ka.
No, naghang lagi sa kong
Yes.
call. Wait, ako ko na. Pag-refresh ko.
Ugly ass hoe. Ugly. if I had a home. Got the fire in my soul. I don't need anything to get me through the night.
Lex, i-backward ko, Lex. Lex,
You know
i-backward
what?
ko.
We should just go. Wala. You're not moving. Dea, it's not working out. Let's just
Kanin,
go.
i-backward ko?
Oh, nabackward ka.
Gi-guide ko. Ako
Forward
makita
lang.
na dyan kay Kuan. Ang isod ko sa Kuan. Manood ko sa van.
Okay, sige, sige, sige.
I am
Okay, straight,
John
straight lang dyan, straight. Straight, straight. Straight. Okay, straight. Ah, okay, right. Right, gamay, right? Ayaw! Too much. Left gamay. Left pa dyan.
Ilingi ako lawas?
Okay, straight. Oh, nilingin mo lawas. Okay, straight. Ayaw! Move sa right gamay. Inanalay mo pagtanaw, pero move sa right like pag di ba di yan na.
Then what?